A beautiful day with the BMW, and we're already having a lot of problems. First, the clutch stopped working and there was a lot of fluid on the ground, so there's no more brake fluid, everything went out, but we're thinking either the master cylinder, because it's really greasy underneath here, or maybe the clutch cylinder, so we're gonna top up some fluid, then try again. But we wanted to start the car and it wouldn't start. Of course, battery is empty, so we're charging that. And then we also noticed that there was fluid leaking out of this hose right here, because right there you can see, yeah, the hose is cracked and fuel was coming out everywhere, so we should change that. Luckily we have some spare hose, and now we'll do that while the car charges, then add fluid, try pumping clutch and brakes and see where it leaks. Hopefully it's not master, because yeah, it's not cheap. New hose, old hose, so we're just gonna cut it to length. We're gonna put it back on. We're not gonna replace hose clamps because we're poor, and that's it. Pretty easy, yeah. Yeah, the old one. Oof, that's not a good fuel hose.
That's why we are replacing it.
Yeah. We replaced the fuel hose. Brand new fuel hose is on. Now we're gonna add some fluid to our reservoir, so we can try pumping the clutch and maybe seeing where it leaks. Some fresh fluid.
Uh-oh.
It's okay.
That wasn't my...
Half of it will go into the clutch anyways. After we put more fluid in and bled the clutch, it still didn't work, so now we removed the clutch slave cylinder. Now we have fluid dripping out. Okay, that's good, I guess. And now we're gonna test it. So press the clutch and see if fluid comes out of here. That means all the other cylinders are good. This is pretty shit.
But it comes out or not?
It just drips. It should be like a lot. So we're either not getting fluid in here, or this thing could be broken, or the stupid clutch master. So now I gotta check this, because fluid comes out of the reservoir here through this hose and down into that cylinder. Now that we figured out that no fluid is going down there, we will be removing the plastic underneath the pedals and check the clutch master. That's probably broken. Yeah. Put the seat back. Super annoying. Oh my god, why it's doing that? Wrenching on a BMW and your hands are dirty and you don't have water in your shop, use brake cleaner. Nice.
That grandma down there.
Oh yeah, she'll call the cops again. Oh my god. It's perfect, look at that, clean hands. Awesome. Bart, so let's unbox this. What is this? Oh my god! Clutch slave!
Yes!
Yes, you love the slave. Wait, what do we have here? Clutch master! Incredible.
What do we have here?
Rotor.
Oh yeah, distributor rotor. Oh!
Something. What do we have here?
No, that's not.
Oh, czego?
That's not for me. By the way,
But
you
for
can
who?
check it anyway.
For who is it then?
Oh, Hyundai Santa Fe. Okay, whatever. Anything else?
No.
No,
That's it.
poor. Okay.
Items.
So yeah, today we're working this piece again, and we're gonna replace clutch, slave, and master, because sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. So we're just gonna replace everything, put some new oil in, bleed it, then maybe we'll drive it for a month without braking.
And
maybe.
careful.
The first part is kinda easy. Just remove this cylinder, remove the line, 2 bolts, get it out from here. Awesome. Got the old slave and the brand new slave. So as we can obviously see,
Wait, this penis is missing.
yeah,
No, it's good.
as you can see, the seal, it's very fucked up and this thing just falls out. Well, shouldn't do that, so this is pretty much perfect. Awesome, brand new. Slap it on, and then of course we will continue the replacement with the master. Have fun.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye. He's doing all the clutch cylinders. We have the slave ones, and I'm doing the master. It's kind of a pain in the ass under the dash, and then the lines back there. It's hard to get to. I'm doing the distributor rotor, and yeah, also kind of a pain because there's like no space because of the stupid fan, and it's in here. So remove the old one. It was also a pain because it's these Allen bolts, and of course one stripped out immediately, but thankfully some grip clamps does the job. This one kind of looks sketchy. It's pretty old, Bosch, probably original. Got a fresh one, much nicer, normal bolts, and yeah, the rotor cap looks a bit spanked. Look at those terminals. This is pretty bad. They're very worn, so should be replaced. We'll replace it sometime. But so far, for now, I'm just gonna sand them down, put this shit back on, and yeah, it's gonna be good. Nice rainy day, and we're unbolting.
Hello,
Hello. And unbolting the stupid line that goes to the master cylinder. A bit annoying because it's down there. We're just gonna unbolt it at the lower point, and then the small bits of line that's left, we're just gonna pull it into the car. And let's get into the car, and cylinder is unbolted, and we're just gonna pull it through, and then hopefully replace it with a brand new one, and then finally bleed it. And yeah, and I hope I never see it again, and that's good. We have successfully gotten this cylinder out of the car. It was super annoying. Now we've already put this line on this one, but of course this little thing majig is not with the new one, so now we have to get it out, and it's super hard to get out, so we're just gonna try to destroy this seal, get it out, but it's super hard to get out. God damn you. Like 15 minutes later we finally put this thing in the hole. God damn. Let's just put this in the car as fast as possible, and please go away. Oh my god. We still have to put everything together. Oh, it's like 8 o'clock already. Go, shoot. Super really late, and we haven't done shit. So we put everything together. Stupid master is in, super annoying, did all the lines, everything. And then the stupid line to the reservoir somehow became too short. So then I lengthened the stupid hose and like put a smaller one inside and put a larger one over it so we could reach to here. Super fucking stupid. Now we're gonna try to reverse bleed it, which is basically you take a syringe and a hose and you shove a bunch of brake fluid from the slave up. So once it starts coming in here, we just add fluid and it should work. So we bled the clutch, we replace that. Sounds good. Clutch.
Going.
Cowboy.
Yeah.
New day with the Beamer.
Everything's good. Until
Until good night. Of course. We're gonna need these. We're gonna put another battery to it and then try to start it, because apparently the big one is not been good enough. And yeah, just a regular start procedure for BMW. Oh my god. 2 batteries, yeah, not enough. What the fuck. Another battery. Yes. It works. The smaller battery works. Awesome. Before we go, we need to check if we have everything. We have jacks, we have hammer, we have all the first aids if somebody gets hurt. We have jumper cables. We have all the tools. Fuses. I think we're good. I don't think this car moved more than 3 kilometers in the last 6 months. So, mirror, yes, awesome. So we fixed the clutch, hopefully.
Hopefully, maybe. We don't know yet.
Yeah, because last time we were working like 10 p.m. and then we just said fuck it, it's good.
Good. Don't die on the
Yes.
first few meters, please.
It has finally seen the day and the sunshine. Oh, not all
That's
cylinders?
not all cylinders?
Yeah, it needs a distributor cap for sure.
No, it only needs a few kilometers.
Yeah. But yeah, the distributor cap is junk. Oh yeah, radio. Don't look at the code. So you want still this awesome radio?
It works.
It might need shifter bushing here because you don't know if it's in gear or not.
It's
Awesome.
in neutral.
Yeah. Oh, or is it third? Or first? I don't know.
But first we need to change that cap.
Yes.
I got it, but I didn't change it.
Because everybody asks, oh, it only has 4 gears. No, it doesn't.
That stupid crap. I don't know.
We need to downshift.
Come on!
Oh. It's getting better. Slowly. Hopefully the next video will be us painting the hood and the trunk because we're working on
Or
that for a
maybe
couple of
this motion
months.
cap, or what is it?
Yeah, we'll do everything. We just need to paint it. We have it prepared, so that's gonna be a whole video. So subscribe for more BMW videos, of course.
And buy our t-shirt.
Yeah, buy our
Because
stickers.
We need money for this cap.
We don't have any stickers or shirts, but buy our shirts. That 3-cylinder acceleration, we're barely moving. Okay, now maybe a little better. Yeah, still more like 4 or 5. Oh my god. Oh yeah, we stopped. Something went pew and it says lights something.
Position.
Okay, position. Front lights work. Plate lights work. Other shit works, whatever. All the lights work, so fuck it. We've had that before, it just goes pew and it says lights and it's okay. Don't worry about it. Much better.
Yep.
Yeah, still maybe 5, 6, good. Awesome. Oh, it's our driving school instructor. Awesome. Oh yeah. Like
There.
right here with the Twingo. We're gonna go get some parts, of course. For the BMW we need oil, for sure.
I don't have a watch. Because the blue zone.
Yeah, fuck it, I'll wait. You're sitting in the car and then randomly it goes all R2D2 on you. What the fuck? How to fix speedometer?
And fuel tank.
Nice.
Okay.
Very good. Awesome, so test drive was successful, it works, we didn't get stuck somewhere, whatever. We also bought some oil for the gearbox, we'll do that sometime. And yeah, that's it. Now let's hopefully paint this thing and make it look less hoopty. And we need to do the distributor.
And we need another battery, I guess.
Ah, fuck it.